Hi, guys. So, in one of my live sessions, I spoke about how if you become stagnant as a person, if you don't grow as a person, or if you don't evolve as a person, you become emotionally dependent on other people because you stop valuing yourself, right? I got a lot of DMs on this from a lot of people who said that they had not really thought about this, but it made a lot of sense. Um, I actually really believe in the concept of growing personally. In fact, I was just thinking the other day that I turned 45 on the first day of the lockdown, right? And I was just thinking that in these 45 years, I mean, it's such a momentous birthday because I don't think I've had any other such birthday where the celebrations have been so strange, and just the fact that it was the first day of lockdown. So, what have I learned in my 45 years? ये सोचना तो बनता है. And the first thing I realized was that the importance, as you grow in age, the importance of growing personally or as a person or evolving as a person is so important. And I'm talking about growing as a person. I'm not talking about professionally. I'm not talking about getting more money or a promotion or becoming the CEO of a company. I'm not talking professionally at all. I'm just saying as a person it's very important to evolve, right? And the ills associated with it, if you don't grow and if you don't evolve as a person, the ills associated with it are huge. So I'm quickly going to tell you what I mean by not becoming stagnant and growing as a person, and what I see as the challenges if you don't do that. I think number one, if you how you continuously grow as a person is you add knowledge to yourself. You continuously seek new knowledge. Now this does not necessarily mean a course or some certificates. It could be that also, but just reading or being aware of what is happening around you. So many people stop being aware of what is happening around them. Just general knowledge. You don't have to get into why the sensex is going down, but just understanding what is happening around you and having an opinion on it, because now you've gained knowledge and you have the backbone of knowledge. So having an opinion on it really, really matters, right? So gathering knowledge, continuously gathering knowledge and continuously adding to yourself as far as awareness is concerned would be my number one priority as far as growing as a person is concerned. The second thing would be challenge yourself, to do new things and to do things better. Continuously challenge yourself, because when you challenge yourself to break out of your comfort zone, you grow, right? As a person you grow, because now you discover new things about yourself and you discover that okay, I can do this too. So continuously challenge yourself to do new things. Continuously challenge yourself to do something different, right? Very, very important to do this, to grow as a person. The third thing I would say is that you invest in your health and your body. That's another thing that as we grow we stop doing. When we are younger, sometimes it just happens naturally because we are more active. But as we grow, it has to be a conscious choice. It has to be a conscious choice, and I discovered this slightly late, actually. And I've spoken about this many, many times, that when the crunch is when you're growing, the crunch is when you've reached your 40s. That's when the crunch is. That's when it becomes a choice, right? That's when staying active, investing in your body, investing in your health, investing in fitness actually becomes a choice. And the people who make that choice are people who grow personally and people who stay fitter and people are able to do more with their lives, right? So that's a choice you should make, investing in your health and investing in your body. And one more thing I wanted to add, meeting new people. Again, as we grow, we stop meeting new people. We just feel we are in our comfort zone with people. We're happy with whom we are meeting, and we've made a set of friends, and that's who we are happy with. But that also leads to stagnancy. So don't be afraid to meet new people, because that is also challenging. But you learn so much from people. You meet people who are doing different things. They open up your mind to new ideas, new thoughts, new discussions, new arguments. I find that so fun, and that's something that you should do regularly. Just meet new people so that you're able to understand new thoughts, understand new ways of thinking, understand new kinds of work that people are doing. It's also a challenge to meet new people, because now you're shaking yourself out of your comfort zone. Those are the things that you do to grow personally. Those are the things I can think of right now. Maybe I'll come back later with more. But those are the things you do to grow as a person, right? Now, what happens when you don't do this? What happens when you don't do this? And I'm going to be blunt. One is you become emotionally dependent on other people because you stop valuing yourself, right? Because now you feel that you're not worth it, and intrinsically and subconsciously that happens, that your value for your own self actually begins to go down because you realize that you're not growing, right? So very, very important, the fact that you will become emotionally dependent on other people. So I think the second thing that happens is that you're not an interesting person anymore because you're not challenging yourself, you're not growing, you don't have new things to talk about, which I think is scary because as you grow you would want more, you would want to be an interesting person, right? You would want to have conversations with people, you would want people to listen to you, you just want to be an interesting person, right? And that's something that sometimes happens, that people start moving in different directions, also friends start moving in different directions because you have not grown or you're not keeping up. It happens with spouses sometimes. I've seen it happen with spouses. So very, very important, to stay an interesting person also, you have to grow professionally, personally. Yeah, so that's basically that I wanted to talk about today. Because I got so many DMs on that one thing that I'd said, I thought that it, and because I haven't saved my lives, I just thought that it made sense to actually talk about this one thing that I really, really believe in. You have to keep growing as a person and you have to keep evolving as a person. This is Deepika saying, until next time, bye bye.